Yo. Alright. Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a little fucking story for y'all. It's called La Vida de Carlos. That means the life of Carlos for those of you that don't understand Spanish. So, it's a little bit like this. Born in 1982 in El Salvador, man. San Salvador was so cool. Used to live through a civil war and had a house collapse on me and tried to take me out. But that life wasn't taken away, and that's why I'm here in Australia these days. I was in Port in 1989, or was it 88, man? I don't care, it's all fine. This is why I live my life. I'm Carlos Mariona and I live it twice. I live it twice cause I clone myself and there's a Ben Riley on the side. This is why I dwell in this language called the Down Under. Cause it's blazing upon me and it's thunder. It's so scary, man. It's like I'm tripping out when I'm just seeing everything that I can. Cause they call me Mariona, Shinji Silos, beatbox freak. Cause you know that I beatbox so good that I just make the beat go on till the drop of dawn. And you know what, I spawn a whole new spawn of life. Yeah, that's right, people, man. I always bring it bright. The bright supernova, you know what I like. A blunt in your hand, man. This is why I kick it tight. That's right, buddy, over here, man. I'm always gonna be kicking this shit for a long motherfucking time. In fact, if I had a fucking 12-piece band, right now it would be like the Lucky 13. Not the unlucky 13, but the motherfucking Lucky 13. And this is why I always decide to be on the motherfucking mic. It's like I'm from the motherfucking 70s. Died from an overdose back in those days. And now I'm just here, man, and trying to get placed. And trying to live again like in the 70s. But hey, it's 2012, and that's why it's funny to me, man, cause I tell so many stories over the time and space, man. You know what I think, that my weed was laced, cause I see so many things in my time that my rhyme is so complex I can't find. In fact, it's so complex and dense that it turned into a black hole and suck you in intense force coming out at you. Well, I get scientific alarm rhyming too. And yeah, that's right, got my 8 o'clock rhyme going off like this, man, cause I do it double time. So everybody out there, this is just another freestyle brought to you by Carlos, Shinji, Silos, whatever the fuck you want to call me. Most people just call me an asshole, but I'm all cool with that, man, because hey, you gotta do what you do, man, alright? Anyway, y'all, have a good motherfucking night. Take care and peace!